Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Games not creating profile. So first thing first, this might happen if you have a small glitch in the application itself. For that, head over to your settings, scroll below, select apps. At this section, you will see all the applications that you have downloaded or by default installed in your device. You will have to search for Google Play Services. So type in Google Play Services or Google Play Store. Tap onto it, select storage, clear the cache, and you also have to clear the data. So tap on clear data, read all these, then tap delete. Now come back. Now in here, type in Play Services, and you will see Google Play Services. Repeat the same process. Select storage, clear cache, also clear data. Now once it is, so go ahead, try again, and this shall fix your problem.